Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. Today we will learn about keyframe animation widely used in CSS3. So let's start. The @ of keyframe rules signifies animation in CSS3. The animation is defined here as the gradual change of style attributes from one state to another over a certain time period. These changes in style attributes are observed from one keyframe to another, whether it is dimensional, positional, background or state of the element such as transform, etc., all within a specified time duration, behavior being predefined. You may set the iteration over a limited period of time. Let's see some instances, such as this change in background color, this is box at keyframe 1 position. So this is the first keyframe position. This is the same box at keyframe position 2 with a changed background color to yellow. And the time duration is 2s, that is the change will occur in 2 seconds. And iteration is set to infinite, that is this change will loop for infinite times. Change in dimension, that is width, height, etc. Box with certain width and height at keyframe 1 position at t second. And this is the same box with increased width and height after t plus 2 seconds. Position remains the same. In this case, the position will be remaining the same and the time of change will be 2 seconds. That means this animation will be taking place on 2 seconds, while animation iteration count set to 5, that is this change will occur 5 times and then it will pause. Changing position, other things remaining same. So this is the position of box, that is left 0 pixels, top 0 pixels at keyframe 1 position, time being t seconds. Now we are moving on to t plus 2 seconds, that means 2 seconds after the animation has happened and the position of the box being changed to left 200 pixels and top 0 pixels at keyframe 2, dimension and other properties remaining same. Adding more 2 seconds to this context, that means 4 seconds after the initial position of 0 pixels 0 pixels and 2 seconds after the position of left 200 pixels top 0 pixels, we see that the position of the box left 200 pixels and top 200 pixels at keyframe 3 position, dimension and other properties remaining the same. And this is the position of the box after more addition of 2 seconds, that means t plus 6 seconds after the position of the box will be left 0 pixels and top 200 pixels at keyframe 4 position and the time of animation being 6 seconds. Now if we set the iteration count to infinite, this position change will loop the process for infinite times. I think we better move on to practical classes, but before we proceed, Don't forget to